Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook only loading. To know how to fix Facebook only loading, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to click or to find the application of Facebook. Here you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.